Installing Pizazz Edgemounts is simple when you use the following procedure. First, place your panel on the wall. Make sure it's level and faintly mark each corner of the panel on the wall 100 mm in each direction. Mark your selected distance in from each corner. Then, to establish the center points for the G parts, mark 10 mm up from the bottom marks and down from the top marks. Now drill 2 mm diameter holes into each of the marked center points. Then install the G parts onto the wall. This is the most important step in the installation process and must be secure. If your installation is onto a wooden wall, secure the G parts with 8 or 9 gauge countersunk head wood screws. If your installation is onto any other type of wall, use wall anchors specifically designed for use with that type of wall. Insert the screws into and through the G parts, then into the anchors in the wall. Next, secure the image onto the G parts. If your image is printed on a panel, place it against the G parts. Insert the L parts into the G parts and press them against the image panel and secure them with the I part screws underneath the G parts. If your image is printed on paper, place it between a back panel and a clear front panel. The installation sequence for an image held between two panels is the same as for a single panel. You can create a border around your image by first deciding the appropriate width of your border, then its overall dimensions. Next, make your border panel using a computer-driven router with the overall dimensions of your border panel programmed into it, as well as the hole and slot dimensions shown in the brochure and on our website. Then install your border panel by placing it against the G parts and securing it by inserting the I parts through the panel and into the G parts. Now install your image by placing it between the border panel and a clear front panel and securing them with the L parts as previously described. You now have an elegant and versatile Pizazz edge mount display for displaying your valuable images and changing them whenever you want.